Hello traders, we just finished our live trading session. I want to show you what happened during today's sessions. We had one session in the morning and we just finished one. Pablo got nice profit today of $6,300, but unfortunately I hit stop loss, and I will show you how I did it, what Pablo was trading on, so what assets did he choose to make this kind of profit, and I want to share with you our plans from today's sessions. So let's start from gold. In the morning we were looking for opportunity to get to the target from yesterday. This is one of our strategies, ALLin ASAP. So basically we were waiting for the breakout through the trend line, retest of that trend line. You can see volume level right in this place, and after reaction we should open the trade. Unfortunately the price went straight up, so we couldn't open the trade. But that's okay. Sometimes when we make a plan, we cannot use it. Sometimes market doing something opposite. That's fine. Let's check the other one. Another plan made during this morning's session was on British pound. Let me show you the plan on British pound. You can see point of control here from Wednesday, the 7th of January. We had also volume level right above this point of control, so around 1.5 pips away. That was quite strong area because you can see liquidity area above high from Monday, and we were expecting that the price will drop from this area and our risk to reward should be 1 to 2. You can see the plan worked perfectly, but there is one condition that we couldn't open this trade, because today we had very important news. We had CPI in the United States, and that happened basically during those news. Because we are trading on founded accounts or instant accounts, we are not able to open or close positions during the news. So unfortunately we couldn't use this trade, but you can see the plan worked perfectly. Let's have a look at some other trades as well. Euro USD, that plan was made in the morning. This is pretty simple setup. It's smart money concept. This is one of our setups we are using every single day. Okay, so we were expecting that the price will get into liquidity zone. We were expecting, of course, reaction, come back to the imbalance, what you can see on the screen. But there was one more thing. We were waiting for the trend line, for the breakout and retest of this trend line, and there was an opportunity to open the trade right in this place. Risk to reward 1 to 2. I think that was pretty nice plan. It's happening every single day, so we are trying to use this kind of setups on our morning sessions. Okay, next one is Canadian dollar. This setup is pretty much same as Euro USD. You can see the price got into liquidity zone. There was strong reaction. We didn't get to full take profit. I can show you that trade. 1 second. USD CAD 5 minutes time frame. The price went down, but if you're trading this setup, probably you hit break even. Okay, I didn't open this trade. The plan was good, but if you were able to secure your trade, don't worry, break even, it's okay. All right, do we have any more setups? Okay, now we can move to the afternoon session, because during US session we were trading live, and like I said before, today we had CPI news in United States, so it was a little bit tricky. It's hard to trade during the news, but not for everyone. Not for everyone. Pablo was trading on our session. He was posting us his plans for the trades, also when he opened the position, and what was the plan. This is one of Pablo's plan. You can see risk to reward 1 to 2. This is gold, and basically he was using liquidity. We cannot see that on the screen. We can switch to trading view. I will show you what I mean. Gold, that was 1 minute time frame, but basically we are talking about this liquidity. So the price got into liquidity zone and we can see reaction, okay? And Pablo used that and he made nice profit on this trade. Total profit Pablo made today $6,300, so I think it's pretty impressive. Let's look for another trade. This trade here, okay, I think he opened the trade in this area and he got break even, but he opened another trade right in here and he got full take profit. So another trade more than $1,000 profit. You can see trade is secured on break even. So it was step by step showed by Pablo. $630 secured, profit of $1,590 later on made. You can see that trade was closed, so he opened basically few positions on gold. This is Nasdaq, sorry, that is Nasdaq. So gold and Nasdaq, very nice profit. For me, it was hard to trade because I usually don't trade during the news. I usually hold and wait for the news to finish, and maybe 30 minutes after I usually start trading again. But Pablo was doing this very aggressive, and like you can see, it was worth it because he made very nice profit during our live trading session. Okay guys, this is GC. Yes, this is gold also. You can see these are futures contracts, okay? This is not CFD, we are looking at futures contract. This is GC, 1 minute time frame, and also another trade open. More scalping, but you know, scalping is nice because you got quick profits. You don't need to wait all day long for full take profit. You just open the trade few minutes after, you can enjoy the moment of, you can enjoy your profits. All right, but as I told you in the beginning, not everything went right. I hit stop loss during live trading sessions. Yes, I did have stop loss, and I want to show you that. That was big account, maybe 0.5%, or that trade was 0.5% stop loss, but it was $5,000, more than $5,000, but $5,400. And I want to show you that because we do not always have profits, and I want to show you also losses because we want you to see all our trades from live trading sessions, so everything is transparent, so you can see how we make profits, and also you can see how we hit stop losses, okay? Let me show you trading journal. These are plans not only from today but from yesterday. We got some plans here from today. I already show you gold and USD CAD, so Canadian dollar, but I want to show you trading plan on crude oil. So let's have a look. And that was a plan for crude oil. I was using price action cycle and I was trying to get back into the range. The entry was pretty good. We could do it better because I was wondering if I want to open position right in this place, but it doesn't matter anymore. We opened the trade right in this place. In the beginning, the price was dropping down, so I thought we're gonna get to full take profit. But after that, something unexpected happened, and the price went straight up, and I hit stop loss. So it is what it is. I will show you how this trade ended up. 1 second. This trade was this one here. You can see entry into the position, and we went down. Basically, we entered right here. So we went down a little bit and then boom, straight up. It's fine. It happens. It's all in trading journal. So we are showing this trading journal also every single day, and you can see we had nice profit yesterday of $3,900, but today loss of minus $5,491. But that's okay. Stop losses are part of this business. It's good that Pablo make nice profits. Tomorrow is another day, guys, so I'm not worried too much. Tomorrow, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a good day for trading. So we're gonna look for some more opportunities on the market. We're gonna look for some great trades, and we're gonna try to make huge profits tomorrow. Yes, I think we're gonna try to do it in the morning session and also in the afternoon session. One more thing, because during live trading session, I had guests today. One of my guests was Tomek. Unfortunately, I don't have screens from Tomek plans, but he made few different plans using ALLin ASAP strategy. And also another guest on the second session of today was Pavel, and also we were trying together with Pavel find some great opportunities. So it's not only me. You can see we are trading together. So tomorrow I'm gonna have special guest for you, someone new. Probably you know that person, but tomorrow someone else will be on live trading session. He will share with us his point of view. He will share with us his strategy, and hopefully we're gonna make some nice profit, guys. Remember to subscribe and like this channel if you want to see more content like this, if you want to see our results every single day, because we're gonna post our results from live trading session every single day. So you can't miss it. Just click subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow morning on our live trading session. Take care.